Hello there, these are my mango trees, mainly of Kensington Pride variety. It's a Australian cultivar. Um, this is my first mango tree, which is quite tall, so it has quite a good height. You can see a very small fruit over here. I'm expecting this to fully fruit in August, probably. Now we are still in 31st of May, so waiting for about 2 months, more than two months. It had two more panicles over here. I cut this before because I thought it couldn't hold more fruit, and over here the other panicle. Here I have another mango tree which is growing quite tall, but it hasn't fruited yet, so hopefully next year it will fruit. I haven't pruned this so far, so I'll probably prune this later this year. Here we have another mango tree. It's as you can see, it's hard to distinguish, but it's growing new shoots. I tried to graft here with a Manila Scion, and I think I'm not going to be successful with that graft, but let's hope, let's see. It also has some flowers here, very small little mangoes. I can barely see them. They are very small. I'm not having great expectations from this tree, but let's see. Yeah. Microscopic mangoes. And next one, this is a Carabao variety. I think it's the same as Manila mango. It's quite small. It had some problems with leaves, turned yellow. Like 1 month ago, I cut all the bad leaves and I sprayed micronutrients. So as you can see, it's getting back. So you can see new leaves, new shoots here and there. I also grafted a Kent Scion from a seedling, which I grew from seed. I think probably it's going to succeed because I see green tips here. I can hardly see from the plastic bag. Here's another young mango, and this one is an orange tree which had lots of flowers this year, but it only kept 5 fruits till now. Probably gonna hold this 5 fruits, let's hope so. And let's get back to another variety, mango variety. This is a R2E2. It's a very small, looks quite young, but I suspect it's not so young as it looks, because you can see that the bark is it's not green. You can tell from the bark that the age of a tree. So everyone has told me to cut these flowers, this fruit off, to trim them off in order to promote the root growth, but I don't care. I just my patience is over now. I want to let this fruit or not fruit, I want to let them fruit. I don't care even if the tree dies. I've been waiting a lot for this tree. Anyways, I have another this mango tree which is a deceased tree. It's still a deceased tree. It was sick from the shipping shock. It seems that it's getting much better now. I hope it would not die from the great shock. It was 13 days in a container shipping from Italy, so it had no light, no food, nothing, no oxygen. So I cut, it was a beautiful tree, but I cut these 2 branches over here, actually 3 branches, yeah. It was full of leaves, full of branches, very beautiful leaves, very beautiful buds. But I had to cut this off because the disease was in a bad stage. It had gotten the tree, and it was in a very bad state. So I still could see some black marks into this cambium, but I couldn't cut any more farther than this point. I only left this branch to grow. Actually, I also cut new leaves today. There were very big new leaves today from these 3 small branches here to promote root growth. So let's hope and see how it gets. I can see that the leaves are small but look happier, much happier than when the tree arrived. These are old leaves. I was tempted to cut this branch off, but then I decided to let this and be patient with this branch and see what happens next. I had a lot of friends, a lot of people giving me advices. Some people said don't cut, some people said cut it down, cut the branches off. So I decided to cut the branches off because it looked from my research that it had a kind of disease called gummosis, dieback gummosis. So in this case the tree was going to die. It still is in a serious situation. It might still die, but let's hope and pray that this tree is going to make it. So as you can see, the trunk is quite large, quite thick, but it looks quite ugly with only 1 branch on the right hand side and nothing on the left hand side. Okay, that's it.